What do we want for you? Pick a package. It'll be down the stairs before you turn around.
Are you going to eat your spaghetti? Will, eat some spaghetti.
I'm gonna eat your arm.
What are you eating, William?
No.
William, what are you doing? Are you eating spaghetti?
Are you eating spaghetti, William? That looks a little messy.
Why are you rubbing it on your tummy?
Because it's messy.
William,
Taking that first
are you making an orange shirt?
White.
Eat some spaghetti.
What are you doing in the white?
Why don't you finish your spaghetti and then we'll have a wet wipe.
He looks crazy. Oh, rolling toy parade.
There's not a rolling toy parade outside the door.
A number on it.
There's not a number on it.
Hi, away from these rolling toys.